Hello, my name is Shweihninzy, and as you can see, I have some crazy makeup on today. I had a super fun time. It's actually Friday night. I got some new palettes in the mail that my boyfriend actually bought for me for my birthday. My birthday was the day after Christmas. I turned 29. I know. 1 year left till I'm 30. This is insane. So he got these for me. These are by Cara Beauty or Cara Beauty. You guys, this brand has amazing products. I've never tried any of their stuff before, haven't heard about it too much, and I decided to test the products out myself, and I mean, you can see the pigment does not lie, the shades do not lie. These are so these are the two palettes that I picked out myself. This is the Cara Beauty Starry Eyes Sweet Temptation palette here, and this one I got because I mean, this girl on the front is gorgeous. I was like, I want my hair to look like this, I want my face to look like that, I want everything to look like that because she's super pretty. So here is the palette, and this is actually like a full face palette. So it comes with the eyeshadow, a blush, and a bronzer, which is great. And can we just look at this glitter right here? Oh my gosh. So this is like the full face palette, which I thought would be great for travel, but on the eyes today I ended up using the Life of the Fiesta palette. This is absolutely gorgeous. Can we talk about these shades? Hopefully you all can see these shades. Like, I am so into like brighter palettes, not boring palettes. I really liked this neutral one, but it had pops of colors in it, and these glitters, I have one of them on my eyelids right now. Holy crap. Wow. Wow. So if you guys want to see how I got this look on my face, just keep on watching. Can we just look at my eye right now? Oh, I'm just having so much fun playing with makeup. I am just beyond excited. Beyond excited. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in. I already have concealer and eyeshadow primer on my lid, and I'm gonna go into the color Love Fire. You guys, this palette is so pigmented, so good. Cara Beauty is a brand that I think many people are sleeping on. We need to jump on this bandwagon and get this brand heard. Let's dive into Love Fire with a Sigma E39, and this is going in the crease. Just packing that color in, not being shy, just going ham. Using a Sigma E25, I'm taking the color Bravo My Life, and this is gonna blend out the Love Fire shade. Using a pencil brush, so the Sigma E30, I'm going in with the color Bottoms Up, and this is going in my crease here, like in that line, to deepen that up, and I'm just packing that color in. Using my Q-tip method, I'm gonna go in with a Q-tip here, clean my lid. I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise base and a Wet n Wild concealer brush. This brush is the best. I just love it. You can really get in there with the detail, and I'm gonna create that shape on my lid here. Take any eyeshadow brush you want, and I'm going in with the color Totally Me, which is a white, and I'm setting that base. I'm gonna use the Norvina like eyeshadow, cake eyeshadow thingies, and I'm using a brush that I got from Walmart. This is a detail brush, like paintbrush set, and I'm using this to create the eyeliner. So I'm using this purple here, and I'm just putting a little bit of water in there to activate the liner, and it's going to create the shape here. I think that's the best I can do. Make sure that's dry, but oh my goodness. Just obsessed. It's so pretty, so pigmented, love it. I'm just gonna clean up this edge here. I'm gonna go in with foundation, concealer, all that fun stuff. I'll tell you guys what I use, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back and I have glitter on my eyelids and you might be wondering why. Well, dumb me put setting spray all over my face and forgot that the eyeliner, the purple eyeliner, is water activated, so when I sprayed it, it completely ran all of the purple onto my white eyelids and messed all that up, so I had to cover it with glitter, and the glitter kind of got everywhere, but this is what the final look ended up turning out to be. I have my lashes on. These are the Makeup Geek lashes in the style Isabella. I think I wore these not that long ago, but I just wanted to have big eyelashes. And for my lips, I have a Sephora lip color on. This is the Made in Italy shade. I think they're, oh yeah, cream lip stains, which are extremely comfortable to wear on the lips. So this is what I have on my lips. I just decided to go ham with the pink. Got pink. I have this top on that is way too small for me from Doll's Kill, and I'm feeling myself, feeling fancy. I've been loving wearing my hair like this lately. I look like a 12-year-old, but it's fine. I love it. My hair's out of my face and I feel cute. So I used the famous TikTok mascara, the Maybelline one here, the Sky High mascara, and then this is the Air Volume waterproof version of the L'Oreal mascara. This mascara was $10, so I put that on my lower lashes, and you guys, you can't see it because obviously I have false lashes on, but I want to do a review with these, and holy crap, people are not lying when they say this mascara is bomb. It is good. This is the look that I came up with today, and again, I'm so excited with this palette. It is gorgeous. Check out Cara Beauty. I'm not affiliated with them or anything. They have no idea I'm making this video, but I wanted to let you guys know because I haven't seen too many other people talk about this brand at all, and the eyeshadows are amazing. Definitely check them out. If you guys want me to check out any other small brand, any other brand at all, let me know in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram at Shweihninzy, at me. Do whatever you want to do to get into contact with me. I'll try and respond back. But that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, for my foundation, I ended up using the Naked foundation by Urban Decay. Decided to whip this out, and I put my setting spray on, and I used the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist as well. And again, it made my eyeliner run all over the place, so that wasn't cute. But we have a nice dewy glow because I feel like I was looking a little cakey, but it's all good. I've got some evening coffee here. Actually in the process of designing coffee cups. Eee! I'm so excited. So I haven't done that yet. And I don't know what else to say, but thank you guys so much for watching, and